Welcome to another power-packed business series on how to build real wealth in Africa by solving real problems. In this episode, we're diving deep into two untapped gold mines: industrial ice cube block production and potato processing for resale to restaurants, fast food outlets, and hotels. These two industries might seem simple, but trust me, they are silently generating millions for those who get in early and scale smartly. Africa is one of the fastest-growing continents in terms of population and urbanization. With this growth comes a booming demand for food and beverages, and a desperate need for businesses that can support that ecosystem. Think of it. Restaurants, bars, hotels, roadside vendors. What do they all need daily? Clean, large ice blocks for chilling and fresh, ready-to-cook potato products for hungry customers. And guess what? The supply is not even close to meeting the demand. In this detailed video, we'll walk you step by step on how to start these two powerful businesses. You'll learn how to start an industrial ice block business, how to start a potato processing factory, the machines you need for each business, from semi-automatic to fully industrial, cost breakdowns, profit margins, and scaling tips, how to find clients and sign deals with restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets, packaging, branding, and delivery logistics, marketing strategies that work in Africa, and how to build a business that grows even while you sleep. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start small or an investor planning to go big, this video will give you the exact roadmap you need to start and succeed. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know what to do, but how to do it right. Let's jump into the opportunity and start building your path to business success. Industrial ice blocks are not just for drinks. They're essential in Africa's hot climate, used for preserving meat, fish, fruits, and cooling beverages at events, restaurants, and markets. Visuals: shots of fishmongers using ice blocks, wedding caterers packing drinks in ice delivery trucks, moving ice blocks. With unstable electricity in many regions, many businesses depend on ice for daily operations. This is a consistent, daily income business. Let's talk machines. You can start small or go industrial. Basic setup: ice block machine, e.g. 500 kilograms or 1 ton per day. Cold room or insulated storage box. Generator, if electricity is unstable. Stainless steel molds and containers. Water purification system. Expect to spend between $2,500 to $10,000 depending on scale. Visuals: 1 ton ice block machine in action. Time-lapse of ice forming and being packed. Operating this business is simple, but demands discipline. Key roles: machine operator, delivery person, admin, phone sales, security. If 24/7 operation, with just 3 to 4 staff, you can run a small ice plant efficiently. Cost breakdown and profit potential. Let's break it down. Daily potential: small scale. Produce 1 ton of ice equals 100 blocks. Selling price per block: $0.5 to $1. Daily income: $50 to $100. Monthly $1,500 to $3,000. ROI in 3 to 5 months. As demand increases, you can scale up with more machines. Consistency and timely delivery are your biggest marketing tools. Ready to scale? Here's how. Add a mobile delivery van. Introduce subscription plans. Weekly delivery. Expand into ice cube bags for cocktails. Partner with hotels and bars. Industrial ice is not just a side hustle. It's a full business model. In many African countries, there's one major problem: electricity instability. Businesses like restaurants, fish sellers, meat vendors, bars, and even households rely on ice blocks to keep their goods cold. Every party, every wedding, every outdoor event needs a constant supply of ice blocks. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why this business runs 365 days a year, rain or shine. Visuals: ice blocks stacked in coolers. Party drinks being served cold, meat, fish market using blocks. And yet, the supply is always short. Most people who need ice blocks are forced to travel far or pay extra. That's where your opportunity lies. There are different types of ice blocks you can produce depending on your target market. Types: large industrial ice blocks, 10 to 25 kilograms, used for fish meat vendors; medium-size blocks, 5 to 7 kilograms, for drinks and party use; ice cubes, optional; small cubes for cocktails and bars, requires a different machine. Start with what sells fastest in your area, then expand. Machines needed: ice block machine, 500 kilograms, 1 ton, 2 tons, or 5 tons per day capacity. Stainless steel with aluminum molds. Water-cooled or air-cooled options. Water purifier filtration unit. Ensures clean, odorless, and hygienic ice blocks. Insulated. Cold room, optional. For storing finished blocks in bulk generator, very important in areas with unstable power, 15 to 30 kilovolt amperes, depending on machine size. Ice block extraction tools. Trolleys, molds, sealing strapping. Let's switch gears, now to one of Africa's favorite foods: potatoes. French fries, wedges, chips, they are everywhere. Potatoes are one of the most consumed foods in the world, and Africa is no different. Whether it's French fries, potato chips, wedges, or mashed potatoes, there's always demand. In Africa's fast-growing cities, restaurants, fast food joints, hotels, and caterers don't have time to peel, wash, slice, or process potatoes manually. That's where your business comes in. This is not just a food business. This is a time-saving solution to a growing need. Think about this. There are over 10,000 restaurants and fast food vendors in Lagos alone. Most of them prepare fries fresh every day. But what if you offered them pre-washed and peeled potatoes, pre-cut and blanched French fries, vacuum-sealed potato wedges, par-fried frozen fries, ready to fry? You'd be saving them time, money, and manpower while earning yourself big profits. Let's talk about the machines that make all this happen. Whether small-scale or industrial, your goal is clean, uniform, food-safe processing. Basic machines: potato washing and peeling machine. Automatically removes dirt and skin, handles 200 to 1,000 kilograms per hour. Potato cutting slicing machine cuts, fries, cubes, or chips in seconds. Uniform shapes for easy frying. Blanching machine, hot water or steam. Cooks potatoes slightly to extend shelf life. Essential for frozen fries. Dewatering machine, air dryer. Removes moisture before frying or packing, prevents soggy fries. Fryer optional. If you want to semi-fry or fully fry fries before packaging, industrial fryers with oil filtration system, freezer/blast freezer. For storing parboiled or pre-fried fries, required if selling frozen products. Vacuum sealing and packaging machine. For clean packaging adds. Professional touch and extends shelf life generator 20 to 30 kVA minimum for full plant. Narrator: start small, scale later. Even a 300 to 500 kilogram per hour setup can supply dozens of clients daily. 3001 to 4500. Startup cost breakdown. Narrator: here's what it could cost to set up a semi-industrial potato processing plant in Africa. Item cost, USD. Washer plus peeler machine, 1,500 to 2,500 cutter, fries, slices, cubes, $1,000 to $1,800, blanching unit, $1,500 to $2,000, dewatering machine, $1,200 to $1,500, fryer, optional, $1,500 to $3,000, freezer, cold storage, $2,000 to $3,000, vacuum sealer, plus packaging, $800 to $1,200 generator, 25 to 30 kilovolt amperes, $3,000 to $4,000 working space setup, $1,000 to $2,000, MISC tools and delivery bins, $500 to $800. Total setup $13,000 to $20,000. Too much for your budget? Start with fewer machines, supply fresh-cut fries to restaurants, and grow visuals. Here's how your daily operation might look like. Key roles: potato washer, plus, peeler, operator, slicer operator, blanching operator, packaging and quality control, cold room manager, delivery driver, sales, admin, staff. Scenes from African fast food kitchens, sacks of raw potatoes versus clean-cut fries, packaged ready-to-fry frozen potatoes, visuals, street vendors frying chips, fast food restaurants with potato menus, potato farms, yet most restaurants don't process in-house, they prefer suppliers. That's where you come in. You can offer a range of processed potato products. Fresh-cut fries, raw, packaged, and frozen. Potato wedges, peeled and vacuum-packed potatoes. Dehydrated potato sticks or flakes. Frozen, ready-to-fry chips. Let's look at the equipment needed to build your mini factory. Machines. Potato washing and peeling machine, potato slicer cutter. Blanching machine for frozen fries. Dehydrator optional fryer if offering ready to eat. Vacuum packaging or nitrogen packaging machine, cold storage or freezer room. Startup costs range from $5,000 to $25,000 depending on your scale. By now you've seen it clearly. Africa is not lacking in opportunities. What it needs are doers, thinkers, and bold entrepreneurs like you. Whether you're producing industrial ice cube blocks to serve a thirsty city, or processing potatoes to feed the fast-growing hospitality industry, you're not just building a business. You're solving real problems, creating jobs, and contributing to Africa's development. Every hotel, every restaurant, every event, every fast food joint, they are looking for suppliers they can trust. Be that supplier. And if you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful African business ideas. This is your time. Let's build Africa, one business at a time. Download the full business guide in the description. Comment below. Which business are you starting this year? Stay tuned for our next video on profitable food and factory ventures across Africa.